Number 9 looks us to identify the C value to complete the square. So to find and complete the square, we first have to get the B value, which is going to be 22. We divide that by 2, that gets us 11. Then we square it, which is 121. 121 is what we would have to add here to complete the square. So the C is equal to 121 would be your final answer. That is the constant that we add to complete the square. All right, let's do this one. That's the B value of negative 16. We first divide it by 2. That gets us negative 8. We then square it. Negative 8 squared becomes 64. That means we are going to be adding a 64 here. And this would complete this to make a square. So we can say that the C here is 64. Then C, the B term here is, oh, there should be an X here. I'm sorry. There should be an X here. The B term here should be a negative 14. I divide this by 2, gets us negative 7. I square it now, becomes 49. The fact that it becomes 49, I can say that this C value here is 49, and it is now complete. C is equal to 49. So that is how you find the C value to complete the square. We get the B value, divided by 2, square it, then add it as a constant.